Edgefield, McMenamins in the gardens. At a wedding, being a bridesmaid, and just came out for some nice, quiet, barefoot walk after being in small hills, but still little hills for the last few hours. It's nice to just walk on the grass, be outside for a few minutes, grounding. And there's so many beautiful plants and flowers are here. Just kind of looking around. It's good to just walk around, be outside, be in nature. Oh, there's the drone. There's a drone up there. See it. After being around so many people, it's nice to do some grounding. Just walk. The grass feels nice and moist. And much quieter. This was where the reception was. Well, the wedding, the ceremony. Some beautiful flowers. And there's some more amazing beautiful flowers over here. It's mother here. A lot of beautiful plants.
And if she doesn't, I'll pull everybody in. I'll get everybody going. So. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you for being here with me. Until I see you next time, Gabriella signing out.